Hello, job seekers. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that like button to stay updated on the latest job opportunities. Today, we're excited to share numerous job openings in Kuwait, Oman, and Saudi Arabia. Stay tuned for insightful recruitment videos and expert advice. Watch until the end to catch every job update and opportunity. Let's dive in. A huge thank you to our loyal subscribers for your unwavering support. Your engagement fuels our growth, enabling us to serve you better. If you find our content helpful, please like, share, and comment. We'd love to hear from you.
Wanted for Kuwait online interview. Pastry commis salary 160 to 170 KD. Bakery commis salary 160 to 170 KD. Kitchen helpers salary 100 plus 20 KD. Note: minimum 2 to 4 years experience in respective field. 10 hours duty, weekly 1 off. English speaking candidates. Only ECNR passport. Accommodation and transportation by company.
Dear job seekers, please note that our Instagram account, at anwarbhaigulfjobswale, has been disabled due to community guidelines. Follow our YouTube channel and join our WhatsApp group for the latest Gulf job updates. Best regards, Anwar Wale.
Required for Oman, CV selection, sales executive, electrical, salary 300 to 400 Omani Riyal, including food. Candidate must have 3 to 4 years route sales experience in electrical accessories field. Valid Omani driving license. Willing to drive for sales outside Muscat, also in different location on weekly basis. A 5% incentive will be given upon achieving above target in every month. Sales based on his collection amount. Counter sales staff, electric and plumbing. Salary 150 to 250 Omani Riyal, including food. Candidate must have at least 2 years of indoor sales experience. Electrical, plumbing background is preferred. Note: duty 12 hours, 6 days a week, age limit 25 to 30 years. 2 years contract, accommodation, transportation by company. Required for Old Age and Handicap Care Center under Ministry of Labour Saudi Arabia on sponsorship of leading group. CV selection, visa ready, immediate departure. Female nurse, BSc nursing, salary 4000 Saudi Riyal, including food. Male nurse, BSc nursing, salary 3800 Saudi Riyal, including food. Required documents for visa processing: passport, medical, photo, VFS, data flow, degree with apostille attestation. Candidates with registration on or before June 2023 must hold 2 years experience after medical council registration. Duty 8 hours, contract 2 years, age 23 to 45 years. Accommodation, medical and transportation provided by company. Wanted for Kuwait, required for leading construction company. Online interview shortly. Category: Fabrication Formen, salary 250 plus 25 KD. Fabricators 140 to 160 KD plus 15 KD. Fitters 115 to 125 KD plus 15 KD. CNC machine operators 140 to 155 KD plus 15 KD. Welders 120 KD plus 15 KD. Minimum 4 to 5 years experience in respective field. Duty 10 hours weekly, 1 day off. Contract 2 years. Only ECNR passport accepted. Accommodation and transportation provided by the company. Required for Mataq Al Jawara restaurant in Saudi Arabia on recruitment visa, Zoom interview. Pizza maker, salary 1800 to 2000 Saudi Riyal plus food, minimum 4 to 5 years experience in the same. 10 hours duty including break. Age 22 to 35. Accommodation, medical, transportation by company. Required for Old Age and Handicap Care Center under Ministry of Labor Saudi Arabia on sponsorship of leading group. Office selection. Position female nurse. Qualification BSc with 2 years of experience. 100 numbers required. Salary 4000 Saudi Riyal. Male nurse BSc with 2 years of experience. 100 numbers required. Salary 3500 Saudi Riyal. Required documents for visa processing: passport, medical, photo, VFS, data flow, degree with apostille attestation. Candidates with registration on or before June 2023. Duty 8 hours. Age 23 to 45 years. Contract 2 years. Accommodation, medical, and transportation provided by company. Wanted for Oman, CV selection. Safety officer, Nibosh, diploma or degree in mechanical engineering. Salary 350 Omani Riyal, including food. Job description: minimum 5 years experience in the same field. Should work as a safety officer, prepare and submit the safety documents including HIP, JSA, CSSP, ERP, etc. Monitor, control the workers as per the safety standards. Must be fluent in English, should have knowledge about the industrial workplace safety and good knowledge about MS Office. Duty 8 hours, weekly 1 day off. Accommodation plus transport by company.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.